Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. I am Yasin from IDGS Softwares. In today's video I want to share with you a solution for a problem that I had when I record my videos, which was the buzzing sound in the background of my recording. So this buzzing sound came from the static electricity that I had all over my case. So after a long period of searching, I found the best and the easiest way to get rid of it. So by only using OBS. So if you are using OBS, this is the best and the ideal solution for that. So just go to this Mac section here, then click on the option button, then select filters. So the solution is by adding a noise separation filter as I did. So this filters all the noise in the background, including the buzzing sound that they had. So when I delete this filter, you will hear the buzzing sound in the background, which is so annoying. And the way to get rid of it is just simply by adding the noise separation filter. Alright, now the noise is gone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video so useful, and if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like, and I see you next video. Goodbye.